Hello and welcome back to Aim with Aishamie. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your subscription, how to cancel your card. So what you are going to be doing now is on your Play Store app from your phone, you click on your Play Store app. So it's going to bring you here on your Play Store app where you now click on the picture icon on the top right corner of your phone. Click on it to cancel your subscription. So after clicking on it, it's going to bring you like this. Where you see payments and subscription, you click on it. So I'm doing this for tutorial purpose, so that please try and understand what I'm about to share with you here. Click on payment and subscription, then you see subscription. I'm doing this for tutorial purpose. Please